Hey gamers! Blockchain gaming is changing the way we play and earn. Today, I'll show you how to profit from this growing trend in 2025. Let's dive in. What is blockchain gaming? Blockchain games use crypto technology to let players own, trade, and even sell in-game items for real money. Think of it as gaming with real-world rewards. Top ways to earn. 1. Play-to-earn games. Play-to-earn games reward players with cryptocurrency or valuable in-game assets just for playing. Take Axie Infinity, for example. You earn tokens called SLP by completing daily tasks or battling other players. These tokens can be converted into real money. Another great one is God's Unchained, a card game where you earn cards as NFTs. Rare cards can sell for hundreds, even thousands of dollars on the market. The more you play and improve, the more you can earn. 2. NFT Trading. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital items like weapons, skins, or avatars that you can buy, sell, or trade. In games like the Sandbox or Decentraland, players create or buy NFTs and sell them for a profit. For example, a virtual piece of land in Decentraland once sold for over $2 million. If you can predict which items will become valuable, you can make some serious cash. 3. Staking rewards. Some blockchain games let you stake their tokens to earn passive income. Here's how it works. You lock your tokens in the game system, and in return, you get interest or rewards over time. Illuvium is a popular game where staking ILV tokens can earn you consistent rewards, even if you're not actively playing. Why it's popular? Players love it because they actually own what they earn. Developers love it because it builds loyal communities. Win-win. Getting started. To start, choose a trusted game, set up a crypto wallet like MetaMask, and play smart. Always research before investing money into a game. Conclusion. Blockchain gaming isn't just fun, it's profitable. Subscribe for more tips and start gaming smarter today. See you next time.